Safety to use. OPULA dog eye wipes can remove tear stain and make dogs clean. It does not contain fluorescent brightening agents and antibiotics, does not irritate the eyes, nose and mouth. Long-term use can also prevent tear stain. Soft cotton wipes. The Pet Tear Stain Remover Wipes is made of high-quality cotton, soft and skin-friendly, and doesn't hurt the skin and fur of pets for long-term use. The texture on pad helps remove tear stain. Easy to use. The pre-soaked eye stain remover wipes are direct use after opening lids. No need more steps. Disposable design can avoid cross-infection. At the same time, 2.2-inch diameter pad avoid waste. After use, please tighten lids to avoid drying out. Multi-purpose. The wipes clean up the tear stains and smelly smell on your favorite pet. These do give good results. Can also be used for dogs, puppies, cats, kittens, horses, rabbits. 100% satisfied service. If you are not satisfied with our products, we provide 100% money-back guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. Paws up. Problem solved. I have 2 Pomeranians and have never found a way to effectively remove their tear stain until starting using these wipes. The size of the wipes is just right for cleaning around their eyes. They are also moist enough for me to clean both dogs' eyes at the same time. I do bath my dogs regularly and use the wipes as daily maintenance. They do not irritate my dog's eyes and, as a matter of fact, they seem to enjoy the cooling sensation. I clean their eyes twice a day, so 300 wipes will last 5 months, which is a great deal in my opinion. I am very satisfied with the quality and will definitely try the ear wipes next.